Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics, and I'm your host, Limbo Morale. I'm here in Mbombela Stadium to witness a Betway Premiership test between Orlando Pirates and Derby College. A game is just going to the scoreline of 2-0 in favor of Orlando Pirates, seeing them being crowned the new 2025-2026 Betway Premiership. Last game of the season, Dunayami, is what it had to go to. Illegally winning a lang electrine and Dunayami. Bandu babukile, khona lebe baminyile, akwendeki 14 years wekulinza. Somiso siphelile. Khuluma nami Dunayami, Orlando Pirates, Betway Premiership winners.
Now sabantu abajabule namhlanje, we are happy people abafana bawenza umsebenzi. This is the last dance. Bekuyona last dance le. Besikhuluma abantu bethi hayi umshado uhlehlile. So sibaprovele namhlanje ukuthi yithi amabhoza. Sure.
Dunayami, the way tembu idlale ngayo namuhla imisela kwalo kuze kufike to game yekugcina. Balandzele Orlando Pirates babonile against the game at Durban City la escotini khona la Orlando Pirates ihluleka khona ukuthi iqedise game yona isheshe iwine ileague. Mara balandzele Orlando Pirates bama bayisupporta after game sabona nicula nayo Orlando Pirates nitshela ukuthi kusakonde.
So this one is page.
Yeah.
So abalandeli balandela leli page. Uthando lwaleli page lisuka kude yikho nje namhlanje sijabulile abadlali basenzeleni umsebenzi siyababonga kakhulu.